What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make that face mobile phone flying video. I don't know why, but it's really trending for now, so I'm just going to give you guys a quick instructions to make that video if you want to share it with your friends. I saw these mini videos, they were on YouTube, but they were in Hindi, so I wanted to do a tutorial in English. So here's a quick preview. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm gonna close everything in the background. So what you need to download is go ahead onto the Play Store. I don't know if it's on iOS, but you can search for it. Just search for P2. That's what it's called. I don't know why. It's a Chinese thing. Obviously, if you watch the video, just click on install. There's going to be an install button right here. But then I'm just going to uninstall it because I want to show you guys the setup. It's not too difficult. So, but anyways, I'm going to show it to you guys. So I'm going to click on install. I'm going to speed it up because it's a decent sized app. Okay, once it's done, you just need to open it. So click on open, and then it's gonna load up. It's gonna give you two pop-ups. Just click on allow and then allow again. Just click on this top right corner. It's gonna be this icon right here, and that's it. Now what you need to do is go back here. Click on, first of all, there's this option for fun video. I think, yeah, fun video, and there it is, flying mobile phone. But before you do that, just let it download and then take a picture of yourself real quick. I've already taken two. Just open camera and take a picture. Any picture will work. So just go ahead and install P2 and click on a fun video. Then download the first one. You can use others because there are a lot of these. I don't know. I haven't tried any of these others. But so as you can see, there it is. Once it's done, just click on start, and then it's gonna give you two things that you need to add up. That's where your face is gonna come up. Just click on this add button right here in the middle, and then take any picture. For example, I'm gonna take this one, and then I know it looks kind of weird, but anyways, you get the idea, right? And the second one, take any other picture. I don't know if you want to take a different picture. For example, I'm going to take this one. Okay, you can adjust it obviously. And then here also you can adjust. And then now you can click on preview, and it's going to take some time to render the video. So just wait for it. I'm going to speed this part up again. Okay, so once it's done, as you can see, it will just give you a quick preview, and there you go. Let me just decrease the volume, and there you go. As you can see my face right there, and there at the top it's going to show the rest of the thing. Once you're happy with it, if you're not, just click on that top left corner, that back icon. But if you're happy, just click on the save icon, and it's going to immediately save. As you can see, it says saved. Now you can click on close and go back, and then go to your gallery, and it's going to be in the camera. I think, yeah, it's going to be in the camera, and I think it's this one because I've also done it before just to test this app out. Yep, there you go. Or if you're using Google Photos, it's going to come in there right at the top right here, so it's much easier. So yeah, you can also try out some of the other ones right here. Just go back, and you can also use this app to like, as you can see here, fun video. There are other things which you can use to enhance your face. So yeah. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys are having fun sharing this video with your friends. But yeah, and don't forget to click the bell icon because it notifies you whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Fuzal Hamid from Mr. Tech Boss signing off.